This model kit review is of the Piper Cherokee, and it is a 1/48 scale model by Minicraft, and it's got an 8-inch wingspan. I don't see any other details here, so let's have a look inside. This is a very old model kit. Here are the decals. They aren't in very good condition. They feel rough and definitely have seen better days. They're yellowed, but probably still usable actually. Looks like this may already have been started. Let's have a look here. It's actually part of the molding. The molding is not great. We do have a lot of panel mold lines here. It's a very small plane, even though it's 1/48 scale. You can see all these mold lines. Here is our lower wing, and then the upper parts of that wing, all with raised rivet and panel lines. Actually, these panel lines are recessed, which is interesting. Looking at this sprue, looks like we have some engine parts here, and wheels with the wheel cowls, and some additional engine parts probably here. Here we have our seats and the cockpit. Additional seats. Here's our tail, the nose cowl, engine cover. So that should go over like that. Here's our propeller. And other parts for the wheels, instrument panel there, and cockpit glass and windows. And here's the other seat, and part of the engine mounts. Let's have a look at our instructions here. Start off with the cockpit and seats, then you put together the wings, the control sticks, as well as the instrument panel, glass, then go inside the fuselage. Engine is then built and attached, and engine cowl, glass, propeller, and so on are put on. Then the landing gear, and then the painting and decal guide. So, very simple kit. It's interesting that it has some detail, in that it has an engine, but really is a basic kit.